place all along our drive here. You can take. Zamanzar is the name of this place. The sugarcane company used to make a rum called Zamanzar, one of the best rum we have in Madagascar.
The butcher.
Yeah, the butcher there.
Yeah.
You know, they don't kill their own stuff, huh? You have to bring it to a butcher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did it taste like beef or?
Oh, it tastes like beef.
Yeah, it's like just like beef.
I've never had, but I've heard.
A little shopping area here, and some of the sights and sounds of Nosy, Madagascar.